autism is a kind of a disorder, means there is a range of behavior. So it ranges from very mild form to severe.
The causes of autism includes an error in the genetic code of the child, or individuals may suffer from diseases such as tuberous sclerosis, which makes them prone to autism. Tuberous sclerosis is a mutation of a TSC1 or TSC2 gene, which codes for certain proteins essential to suppress tumor growth. A lack of these genes will result in a lack of tumor suppressors, and as a result, vital organs are inflamed and neurodevelopment problems may occur. The environment also accounts for autism. When high levels of toxic are present, the toxic will build up in the child, which may cause inflammation of vital organs. As a result, neurodevelopment problems may occur. It is widely believed that the mitochondrial dysfunction is one of the causes for autism. Mitochondrial dysfunction happens when the mitochondria of a child is defective and produce excess hydrogen peroxide, and along with oxidative stress in the cell, the organelles in the cell are damaged. Therefore, the mitochondria is unable to produce enough energy to start or produce high frequencies of nerve impulses, and the result of this is autism.
Observe repetitive behavior. They are not able to interact with people properly. That means it may not be spontaneous answering your questions or get into a conversation.
Papa gave you Game Boy. Yes. 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 Hey, yes. 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 There is no known cure for autism, but it can be prevented and treated. Pregnant mothers should abstain from alcohol, caffeine, and cigarettes, etc., and at the same time eat a healthy diet and keep fit in order to keep the fetus healthy. By treating an autistic child, you're only reducing the severity.
I might suggest that let them join the normal school. Okay, get them to socialize with other normal kids. It may help them to improve their situation, their condition. Yeah. But of course, for those with a bit serious case, they need special school. They need to enter.
Go to professionals to develop the child's social skills in order to reduce the severity of his or her autism. Or keep the child away from gluten or casein food, as the metabolic products of it will trigger or worsen them.
They like routine. So therefore, any changes you must prepare them beforehand. If not, they will be confused.
For a successful treatment of an autistic child, social communication, emotional regulation, and transactional support is essential. Generally, the only misconception is that only the brain is affected in autism, but this is not true because in many hypotheses, such as the mitochondrial dysfunction, the body of the autistic child is affected as well.
Although it seems that they like to be alone, they always isolate themselves. But sometimes I don't know whether it's because people don't want to mix with them, so therefore they're seen alone, or is it because they prefer to be alone? So for some mild forms, I still find that some kids, they like to be with people. Yeah, there's a sense of belonging.